What's up, everybody? I'm going to be doing a henna application video. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of henna, how I mix it, how I apply it, and also the results of the color afterwards. Don't forget to watch this video from start to finish so you can see the results at the end. For my henna mixture, I'm going in with 2 ingredients. First being the Curly Proverbs Henna Pro Strength powder, and then also some organic amla powder. For my mixture, I use about 90% henna and like 10% amla powder. The reason why I add amla to my henna mixture is because it kind of offsets the strengthening effects of the henna, so it's not too strengthening on my hair. And also the amla helps give me a very deep, rich color, which I really like. After combining the 2 powders together, I put warm, not hot water to slowly and gradually mix in the powders together. I use warm distilled water because it helps the dye release to be gradual rather than quick, and it doesn't compromise the benefits of the henna and the amla. So now I want to get into the benefits of both amla and henna. I'm going to first start off with talking about the benefits of henna. So henna is a natural dye derived from the Lawsonia inermis plant and has been used for centuries to condition, strengthen, and color hair. The key benefits of henna is that it binds to the keratin in the hair, helping to create a stronger structure. This can make the hair less prone to breakage, reduce split ends, and improve your hair's strength. Henna is also naturally antifungal and antimicrobial, which helps maintain a healthy scalp by balancing the scalp's pH, reducing dandruff, and soothing irritation. Now let's get into some benefits of amla. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients. Amla promotes hair growth by strengthening hair follicles and preventing premature graying. Amla also improves scalp health with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, reducing dandruff and soothing irritation. Amla also conditions, adds thickness and shine to the hair as well. Although it's just a 2-ingredient henna mixture, it is such a potent mixture, and my hair always comes out so soft and manageable after applying this. So after I finish mixing out all the henna and amla into a smooth paste, I'm going to cover up this container and let it sit for about 4 to 5 hours so that the dye from the henna can release. So I have freshly detangled and shampooed my hair, so there's nothing in my hair at all. I'm going to put on my gloves because I do not want my hands to stain. I have my hair pre-sectioned in twists, so it will make it easier to apply this henna mixture to my hair. I first start off by applying the henna mixture to my roots. I always apply it to my roots and to my scalp first, and then I do the rest on my hair. This just helps keep everything organized and just helps me to apply the henna to my roots evenly. So now that all my roots are done, then I will move on to the length of my hair, and I take down each twist one by one when I'm doing the henna application, and I smooth the henna into my hair. When you're applying henna to your hair, you always want to make sure that you go in with thoroughly detangled hair and also shampooed hair. The reason why you want to go in with henna on freshly shampooed hair is so that the henna can really bind and stick to your hair cuticle. This will allow your hair to get the full effect of the henna and reap the full benefits of the henna. My hair is also damp as well while applying the henna to my hair. This just helps my hair be able to absorb the henna way better, and also it helps my hair to be very pliable as well. I make sure that my hair soaks up every single ounce of this henna because after, the effects of it is amazing. I do a full henna treatment like this every couple months because henna is considered a strengthening treatment. I do not do it as often. So every 4 to 5 months, I apply my full henna mixture to my hair. What I do in between sometimes is I do a henna gloss. So I will mix henna, amla, fenugreek, slippery elm, hibiscus, and some deep conditioner to do my henna glosses in between of a full henna treatment. A henna gloss is more so moisturizing. It kind of has like a balance of strength and moisture. So I do that in between my full strengthening henna mask. As you can see in this clip, I basically twist my hair after I apply the henna to each section. And this just helps just keep everything organized. It is a very messy process, so keeping my hair very controlled in a twist really helps me keep everything organized. So now that I've applied all the henna to my hair, I just take whatever's left in the container. As you can see, I have quite a bit left. I think I made a bit too much, but whatever. I'm just gonna apply just a little bit left to my roots, and also I'm gonna turn around and do it to the back of my head. Look at my arms, guys. This is crazy. A mess, honey, a whole mess, girl. And I'm looking at the ground, I'm like, damn, I have a lot to clean up. My gloves are going crazy. I got the mask all over my face, my neck, the floor, the toilet, girl. Come on. But anyways, the benefits outweigh the cons right now. I'm just gonna make sure to smooth every single last drop that I have left in that container, and also get the back of my neck as well. I oftentimes forget my nape, but this time I am not forgetting. I'm making sure that my hair gets all the henna. Using the henna mask on my nape area helps keep my nape hairs very strong, because you know that area is like kind of like weaker strands back there. So putting the henna mask on my nape really helps keep my nape healthy and strong. Yo, when I say I struggled putting on this saran wrap because I could not find my shower cap. So I just ran and got my saran wrap to wrap my hair. This took me so long to put on. I was literally struggling with this. But I go in with the saran wrap. I wrap my hair, make sure I wrap it tight. And then I will sit with this for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I believe it was about 2 hours that I sat with this henna in my hair. And then after that, I'm going to rinse it and then deep condition my hair. So I have now completed applying the henna. I might just leave it on for an hour because like I pre-mixed the henna. I pre-mixed my henna like a day before because I thought I was going to use it yesterday, and then I didn't end up using it yesterday because I didn't get to wash my hair. So what I did was freeze the henna, and then I defrosted it today and used it. So the lozenge in the henna like already released like a lot, so I might not have to leave it on too long. I'll probably do like an hour and a half, check on it, see how it's processing, and yeah, just go from there. So I will see you guys in the next clip after I have washed out my hair and deep conditioned my hair. Also guys, I try my best in, you know, keeping the henna from everywhere, but as you guys can see, it has gotten everywhere. Try my best, but and it's all over my shirt. It's a mess. But yeah guys, that's the reality of when you're doing DIY treatments, especially henna. I'm gonna quickly like wash all this off so it doesn't stain. Oh my god, y'all see that? Oh my god, I'm so upset. Look at me. Oh my god, look at this, that's nicely gonna stain. It got on both my arms. Whatever. All right, guys, I'm back with the deep conditioner in my hair. Ooh, look at that bounce, girl. You can't tell me you don't see that bounce. My hair is so soft. Like, you don't understand how soft my hair is. I'm getting ready to rinse this deep conditioner out. You can kind of see the color a bit. Ooh, loving it. Absolutely loving it. But yeah, henna always makes my hair so soft. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up after I wash out my deep conditioner. You can kind of see the color. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera. What I notice is the color. Okay, you can kind of see it here. You can really see the color on this area. On the front here, it's kind of hard to pick up the color on camera, but you can kind of see it. It's like kind of like this orangey, auburnish, brownish color. I don't know, let me try and like come a bit closer so you guys can see. Also, my hair is so soft. Oh, so soft. Oh my gosh, I love using henna on my hair. Every time I use henna, my hair always comes out so soft, manageable, strong. It's just awesome. If you are looking for a really good henna powder, definitely check out Curly Proverbs henna powder. Best henna ever. Is so easy to mix. It is so like smooth and creamy when you mix it with water, and the dye release is awesome. Love it so much. But I'm loving this color. I got my henna color in before the fall. I really wanted to get my henna color in before the fall so that, oh my god, look at, guys, look at my t-shirt. I didn't change it yet, so don't mind my t-shirt. It's a mess, gross, yuck. Anyways, but yeah, I wanted to get this henna color in before the fall because I'm thinking of doing a silk press for the first time ever. Like, what? I have not done a silk press since 2018. It's been literally 6 years since I have done a silk press. And like, yeah, I'm really excited to, you know, do a little silk press for silk press season. And yeah, I wanted to get the henna color in first because I wanted it to like pop. I high-key might do another henna, like a full henna coloring in like about 2 months again. But I have to order some more henna powder because I finished my henna powder. But yeah, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have colored your hair with henna before, let me know in the comments down below and let me know how your experience with henna was. I will definitely be doing a lot more DIY treatments like this on this channel, so you guys stay tuned. I've also, as I mentioned before, I will be silk press video. So excited, and I will be filming the whole process of me doing a silk press this fall. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. So yeah, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. Just kidding. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like the next day after I styled my hair, put in some chunky twists, and I came out on the balcony to get the color in the sun. Oh, girl, come on. I know you see that color. It's giving like this orangey auburn color. I'm here for it. I'm eating it up, girl. But anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.